Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the font size in your Motorola Edge 30 Neo. To do this operation, go to the settings here and now scroll down to the display here, and there is a font size here. Click on it, and as you see, we have a test how it's going to look like in the default, how it look like in small, and the largest one. Yep, as you see, if we choose the largest one, all the font is bigger. Yep, if you want the smaller one, just hit the small, and as you see, everything is small. So let's try the default size for me now, and that's it for now about the font size. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.